Howdy folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we are having juice mixed with orange juice. And that is the result that you get right there. Looks like apple cider, but it isn't. It's just a mixture of that juice and that juice mixed together. And we are having eggs, 3 eggs, and we are having corned beef hash to go with it. This wasn't the original plan, but this is the plan that we are going with today. Our original plan, which we're going to do Wednesday morning, was going to be French toast with, I'm thinking, corned beef hash. So, and that's what we were supposed to do today, but that didn't happen because I changed my mind. So Wednesday we're gonna do what today's plan was, which is gonna be French toast and either bacon or corned beef hash. Want to thank you for watching, folks. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.